Hello and welcome to day 12 of the 90-day video challenge. My name is Laura Weissman and I'm the founder of PsychEd About Love in Newport Beach, California. Before I get started, I want to give you my website address, which is www.psychedaboutLove.com. And that is a little play on words. Psych Ed, as in psychoeducational information that I do my best to provide to you and to my clients to give us some insight into why we act the way we act, why we have the obstacles that we have, how to overcome those obstacles, that reaction as opposed to responding the way we would like. Some of that information is from neuroscience, some of it is from psychology, some of it is spiritual, but all of it is under the umbrella of psychoeducation in a way that I am hoping to educate you from a psychological perspective. Okay, so that's PsychEd, that's a little abbreviation, but also because I'm a couples therapist, I want you to feel psyched about love, because once you understand why you react the way you react rather than respond the way you would like to respond, you have some insight into it. You can normalize some of your behaviors. You can have compassion for yourself. And when you begin to have compassion for yourself, you also begin to have enormous compassion for others. And yes, it does start with you. So once again, it's www.psychedaboutLove.com. Past couple of days, we've been talking about tapping as a way of reducing emotional and physical pain, and going through the tapping points after the setup statement. The setup statement again is, even though I am feeling, and then fill in the blank, and that could be even though my neck is really hurting, even though I've got a pain in the back, whatever it is. You can use it for physical pain, but you can also use it for emotional pain. And the example that I gave, even though I feel like I'm losing my mind and not even knowing what that's about, but using this process to allow that to bubble up. So first, the setup statement is, even though, as in yesterday's example, I feel like I'm losing my mind, I still deeply and completely love and accept myself. Losing my mind, losing my mind. You're tapping through the points now. Losing my mind. Lose my mind. And you're wondering, okay, what is this doing as I tap through? Because if you're paying attention, stuff begins to bubble up. And like the example that I gave, I went through like I'm losing my mind and feeling really stressed and it's over the top, and I'm just giving voice to everything that's coming up. And why is giving voice so important? Because over here, pay attention to the psycho ed, it's coming up right now. Over here is the limbic system of your brain, and that's your emotional brain. And it's responsible for understanding a lot of nonverbals, and things that have emotional impact get stuck here. But one of the ways to process it is by languaging, because the language center of your brain is over here. And once you're processing it into language and slowing it down, you have a better time of really gaining insight into what's going on. So you're paying attention, you're tapping through, but the goal is that at the end of your tapping, you are understanding what's really going on for you, and then you can share that with others. See you on day 13. Bye.